It's very important in iOS to know what order things happen in when a view controller is loaded. So this little test section, I'm going to set you a task, and that is to open our viewcontroller.cs. If you recall, this is the first file that gets loaded in our app in a graphical sense. And inside view did load, I'm going to type console.writeLine and view did load. What this does is write a message back to our application output that our view did load. So if I hit run, we build and we upload it to our simulator. It's going to run, but if we look in our application output and I scroll down, we have a view did load. So it's still loading things. There we go. From my first app. So after the view loaded, we had some errors for other things. I'm not quite sure what they are, but you can always explore that if you wish. I wouldn't worry about those errors for now. We have a view did load. Inside, I'll just stop this running. You should do the same. Inside of a view controller class, which inherits from UI view controller, there are a couple of default methods. So one of them is view. We have to type override first. View will appear. We have a public override view will disappear. Now, when do these events fire off? Well, they fire off depending on what our app is doing. So the first time it loads, we'll get a view did load once. If the view disappears, this will get fired off. So for example, if I clicked the home button, I believe, or I opened a new screen on top of the current one, view will disappear fires. And then if a view appears again, this will fire off. So your homework is to use that console.writeLine view did load and change it slightly to view will appear, pop it into the view will appear method, do the same thing for view will disappear, then also open up app delegate and put it inside finished launching before return true is called. Then I want you to run the app, have a look at your application output and see what order things are fired in. And this is intensely important when it comes to app development, so please do not skip this, because you need to get into your head the various processes that iOS runs through when your app fires up. In the next lecture, I will cover the solution to this.